Modern inverter air conditioners are smarter than traditional AC systems. They use sensors, control boards, and advanced electronics to monitor system performance. When a problem occurs, the AC displays an error code on the indoor unit display instead of simply stopping. Many homeowners become worried when they see codes such as E1, E4, F1, P0, or P4 on their AC. However, these error codes are designed to help technicians identify problems quickly. In this video, we will explain some of the most common inverter AC error codes and what they usually mean. What are AC error codes? An error code is a warning signal generated by the AC control board when it detects an abnormal condition. The code helps identify which part of the system may have a problem. It is important to remember that error code meanings can vary slightly between manufacturers. Different brands may use different codes for similar faults. Always refer to the manufacturer's service manual for exact troubleshooting information. E1 error code. One of the most common inverter AC error codes is E1. In many AC brands, E1 is related to communication problems between the indoor and outdoor units. The indoor and outdoor units continuously exchange information through communication wires. If this communication is interrupted because of loose wiring, damaged cables, poor connections, or a faulty control board, the AC may display an E1 error. A technician will usually inspect the communication wiring and control boards when diagnosing this fault. E4 error code. The E4 error is often associated with high compressor temperature or system overheating. This can happen if the condenser coil is dirty, the outdoor fan is not working properly, refrigerant levels are incorrect, or airflow around the outdoor unit is restricted. When the compressor becomes too hot, the control system displays an error code to protect the compressor from damage. F1 error code. The F1 error commonly indicates a problem with the indoor temperature sensor. Temperature sensors provide important information to the control board. If a sensor becomes damaged, disconnected, or gives incorrect readings, the AC may not be able to control room temperature properly. Checking sensor resistance and wiring connections is often part of the troubleshooting process. P0 error code. The P0 error is frequently related to inverter module protection or abnormal system operation. In some cases, it may be caused by low refrigerant charge, high electrical current, voltage issues, or inverter board problems. Since inverter systems use complex electronic circuits, diagnosing P0 errors often requires specialized testing equipment and technical knowledge. P4 error code. The P4 error is commonly associated with compressor discharge temperature protection. When the compressor discharge temperature becomes excessively high, the system activates protection mode and displays the error code. Dirty condenser coils, refrigerant issues, blocked airflow, or compressor problems can contribute to this condition. Sensor-related error codes. Many inverter AC systems have multiple sensors that monitor temperature and system performance. If a coil sensor, ambient sensor, or pipe sensor fails, the AC may display specific sensor-related error codes. These sensors are important because they help the system control cooling efficiently and safely. Faulty sensors often need testing with a multimeter before replacement. Voltage-related error codes. In some areas, unstable voltage is a common issue. High voltage, low voltage, or sudden voltage fluctuations can trigger inverter AC protection systems. When voltage levels move outside safe operating limits, the control board may display an error code and stop the system temporarily to prevent damage. Using a proper voltage stabilizer can help protect the air conditioner. Refrigerant-related error codes. Some inverter ACs can detect abnormal refrigerant conditions. Low refrigerant charge, refrigerant leaks, or pressure-related issues may trigger protective error codes. If refrigerant problems are suspected, the system should be inspected by a qualified HVAC technician because refrigerant handling requires proper tools and training. Why you should not ignore error codes. Many people simply restart the AC whenever an error code appears. While this may temporarily clear the code, the underlying problem often remains. Ignoring error codes can lead to poor cooling performance, higher electricity bills, compressor damage, and expensive repairs. It is always better to identify and fix the root cause of the problem. Conclusion. Inverter AC error codes are valuable diagnostic tools that help identify problems within the system. Common codes such as E1, E4, F1, P0, and P4 often indicate communication faults, sensor failures, overheating, refrigerant issues, or inverter board problems. Understanding these codes helps HVAC students, technicians, and homeowners diagnose problems more effectively and maintain reliable AC performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC educational videos, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly air conditioning training content.